In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily copy YouTube video link. Now watch to the very end to avoid any mistake. And please guys, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also to like the video. Thank you guys. Now let's get started. Now open your YouTube application. Then the video that you want to share to your friend, copy those 3 lines on the bottom of the video and then click on share. Then you can copy the link and then share it to your friend. Now another option that you can do, you can open the video, then you can see the share button just below the video, then copy the link, then you can share it to your friends. Guys, that's how to easily copy YouTube video link and share it to your friends. Thank you guys, and I will see you in the next one.